A very good morning to you, class 3 students. This is Rituraj sir. Now, as you already know that on 29th of this month, you have already received the lesson plan, which is based on a new chapter, which is chapter number 5 of your textbook, Plants in the Surroundings. Now, if you would come to page number 63 of your textbook, we will start discussing about this chapter. Now, to start off with, I'll tell you there are different kinds of plants in our surroundings. Various types of plants are there in our surroundings, the ones that we see every day. Now, what is common in those plants, in all those plants, there's just one thing that is common, and that is the division of the root system and shoot system. Now, what is the root and the shoot system? The root system is the part of the plant which is below the soil, and the shoot system is above the soil. Now, it is consisted of leaves, fruits, stems and flowers. Now, to get a better look at this picture that I have drawn for you, I'll bring the camera forward. I hope students you can see the picture clearly now. Now, I'll show you each part step by step. Now, I'll start off with the shoot system, which is made up of 4 different parts. Actually, there are 4 parts in the shoot system. What are they? The first one is the leaf. The second one is the fruit. Third one is the stem of a plant. Fourth part is the flower. And if you can see, these are the buds that I have drawn over here, from which a flower will be born. Now, coming to the part here, this is the root system, where there is root, which is the part of the plant which is below the soil. Now, the root system is divided into 2 parts, where we will come. The next part of our study, the next part of our discussion will be on that topic. So first of all, this is the shoot system that is above the soil. This is the root system that is below the soil. Now, the second part of the video is based on the 2 different types of roots. Now, in the lesson plan of 31st, which is Friday of this month, this has already been given, where we have subdivided the roots into 2 parts, which is taproot and fibrous roots. Now, if you look at page number 64 of your science book, you'll be able to see that it is already written over here that in taproot, a large thick root, which is this, and from here there are a few branches that have come out. A few branches have come out from this root, just a few of them. But in case of a fibrous root, this root is completely branched out under the soil. Now, from this part of your book, page number 64, taproot and fibrous root, it is already written over here. And in the lesson plan also, this has just been described completely. So if you go through it, you'll be able to understand about this part even better. So I'll recapitulate with this thing once again. The taproot is where this is a radish. Now, radish is a taproot. So in this taproot, what we see is there is this one thick stem which has descended into one thick root, from where several branches have come out. A few ones of them are over here, a few ones of them are over on that side. But in case of fibrous roots, what we have seen is there are branching from the beginning. They are branched from the very beginning. The roots are so very branched, you see. They're branched from the beginning. Once they are inside the soil, once they are under the soil, they're completely branched out. Whereas in case of taproot, there is a thick root present from which a few branches have come out, as we can see in this picture. So this is the basic difference between fibrous root and taproot. Now, students, please understand this part. This is the video that I have prepared for this week, which is based on both the topics, which is parts of the plant and types of roots. I'll be back with another video when we start with the next topic or the next part from this chapter. Stay safe, students. Stay at homes and wear masks whenever you go out. Once again, you don't need to go out if it is not necessary. So stay home, stay safe, be happy. I'll meet you all in the next video. Bye.